here's the magic. Part 2, I told you. The magic is, remember when you saw it dark? Now watch. Why is this light? These were the 7 cards. I'm only showing you one. Alright? Here's the second one. Here's the third one. Here's the fourth one. Here was the sixth one. Here is the seventh one. Here is the eighth one. This one was backwards. Guess which Pokemon is it? To find out which Pokemon it was, leave a comment. And I didn't see any comments that was happy birthday if you're watching this. Well, if you don't want to be it, do it. I'm not forcing you to, but I didn't see any comments. Just saying. Alright? So that was the magic. It was dark, and now